going horseback riding, and this is my outfit. You're required to wear closed-toe shoes, so I'm gonna wear these Reebok sneakers. I'm gonna show what Nikki's wearing for horseback riding. What are you wearing?
So I'm wearing, what is this? This top from Zara. And then this top is from Friends with Frank, but it's actually from Sissy because I don't have a long sleeve top. And then my jeans are from Bridge Girl. And my shoes are New Balance.
Wow. And bag?
Bag is Paris 64. I love it.
Put 2 scoops of sugar.
No.
How many scoops? Big one. One big one. Okay, good. Actually, yeah, I put 2 yesterday and it was a little too much for me, but was still delicious.
Usually they say I'll take a second one.
Really? Walking to the car.
Hello, good morning. Well, the weather is obsessive here.
6 tasty options to build your own bee cake deal. Get 2 for $8 or 3 items for only $10. What deal will you create?
Go right in here, and I don't think I'm gonna record though. I'm too scared for it to drop.
I mean, I might.
Hi. Hi.
With Great Britain, so that's why if you look at the Hawaiian flag,
Hi,
and
Peter.
another man,
Such a sweetheart. It's a 7 minutes drive there.
Yeah.
But 27 minutes walk.
There's no hiking, right?
No. I remember we wanted to go this morning, but we changed.
But what was today? Yoga and what?
Yoga, basketball. Yoga, is it garden basketball?
The garden.
Yeah, today's garden.
To go.
Yoga class begins in a few seconds. We made it right on time. What time is it?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Exactly?
Yep.
Oh, that's crazy. Let me check with you guys. It is 9 o'clock exactly. Here, right? After we can lie down in the sun for a little bit. Okay. Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Sorry about that. So you could sit wherever you'd like. You're not comfortable here.
Okay. Thank you. I broke my nail. And this is on the verge of breaking as well. Yay! No. Thank you.
Keep your knees soft if it's more comfortable and come down all the way down. Relax this neck, so yes and no with your neck. Let's get all of you to the heart, spread your fingers. Now if the hips come on you, knees will come back down there. Last one, lift, stay up for rest, press the other hand. If you breathe deeply, everything does better. Last breath, and now we're rounding the spine. Last one. Stretch. Elbows in. Now come all the way back into elbow.
Walking back to have breakfast at the hotel. We have 6 more minutes to spare, but we made it in time.
We just walked like 1.8 or 1.9 miles in like 22 minutes or something like that. Walking pace. Yes, we are athletes. Like we are professional athletes. Because all for food, all for some complimentary breakfast because the last seating is at 10:30. So you better believe we left our yoga class at 10:03.
We did so good though, an hour, 3 minutes.
Yeah, we left at like 10:03.
And it finishes at 10:15. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and it was like the rest was breathing, so we breathed a little bit, and then we left our yoga class at 10:03, got here at, we left our yoga class at 10:03, got here at 10:25, so like 22 minutes walking, guys, almost 2 miles.
Almost 2 miles. I have pineapple juice, and I also got tea. And here's my avocado toast with egg and pickled onion and some other vegetables. Oh my god, they're so pretty for our hair. So pretty. Okay, let's see. How did I do it last time? Like this? Is this?
I don't remember what size we did, but yeah, there.
so pretty.
Is it?
It's so cute.
I told you it's good that you went to go get it.
You're right.
I know. Hi, Sissy's vlog.
Hope you've been enjoying the vlog so far. It's our last day here, so we're at breakfast, and then Four Seasons is 5 o'clock, right? Okay, so 5 o'clock
Eating schedule on track.
we do.
It's not good.
It's bad. Okay,
Very.
so that's what the plans are for today, and then our flight is on 9ish p.m. But this is what I'm wearing today. Cute outfit from Kukai. They're honestly the best. Their pieces are absolutely beautiful.
And then I also have the milk for the tea, and I'll be right back as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I got tea with milk and brown sugar, and then I have my pineapple juice here. So delicious. So I ordered umi fried rice for breakfast.
Hi, Nana's vlog. So today I have an English breakfast tea. Delightful. And then as a refresher, I have some pineapple juice. You know what I mean? Like it's Hawaii, so it's very hot. So it's important to have a refresher. Delightful. My refresher of choice is pineapple juice. Did I say that? This is not orange. This is pineapple juice.
Okay, so here's the umi fried rice. It smells so good, and here's, I think this is ginger, but I'm so excited to eat this. It smells delightful. We're heading to the garden right now, so I'll see you guys when we get there.